Assalamu alaikum students. This video lecture is for pre-9th class subject physics chapter number 2. As you know that nowadays we are talking about equations of motion, and today we will discuss first equation of motion and we will prove it, which is Vf is equal to Vi plus At. In this, Vf shows V shows velocity, F shows final. So final velocity, I means initial velocity, acceleration and time. Students, let a body moving with initial velocity Vi in a straight line with uniform acceleration A. After time t, its velocity becomes Vf. So its final velocity Vf. So in this straight line AB, slope of the line AB, as we have discussed in last video, this slope of the line AB gives the acceleration. So slope of the line AB is equal to acceleration, which is equal to BC over AC. BC over AC. And here we will find the value of BC and AC. BC, this portion, is equal to this full length. From this full length, we will subtract this portion, that is equal to this BC. So it means that this BC is equal to BD minus CD. So BC is equal to BD. From full, we will subtract this one CD, which is equal to BC. And AC and OD both are same length. So AC, we will write OD in place of AC. So BD means final velocity. BD from start till end. This shows final velocity BD Vf, and this CD means CD is equal to OA, and OA means initial velocity. BD, this BD is equal to O, and let Z, OZ, for example, BD is equal to OZ, and this is equal to final velocity Vf, and CD is equal to OA, and OA is equal to means initial velocity, so Vi, and AC is equal to OD, and OD means time interval T here. Now we will put the values of BD, CD and OD in this formula, which is equal to A, acceleration. In place of BD, we will put Vf. In place of CD, we have put Vi, and in place of OD, we have put T. Now we will solve this formula. Here it is in denominator, and on the other side it will multiply. AT is equal to Vf minus Vi, and we will rearrange Vf, this minus on the other side it will become plus. So Vf is equal to Vi plus At. So this is derivation of first equation of motion, which relates final velocity of a body, initial velocity, uniform acceleration and time taken. Thank you.